The issue was that with my last project, I need to go get it serviced again because, yeah, that sound. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're on my bed and I have my sewing machine in front of me, and no, I am not at my desk sewing. I got a new sewing machine and I want to unbox it on camera, so if you guys are interested, let's just get into this video. So yeah, so this is my old Singer sewing machine. It's a Singer Talent. It's a very good machine, very good beginner sewing machine. It's all manual, but that's not why we're here for this video, because my new one is very, very different. So we're going to put this one away and I'm going to bring out the new one. This one's a lot heavier. This is my new sewing machine. So as you can see, it comes with this hardcover. My other one came with like a soft plastic cover to go over top of it. So you just slide that out. Alright, and we'll just push this out here. So this is the Janome sewing machine, the Janome 5100 model. As you can see, this one is computerized. So I really wanted to take a swing into that. I can also do manual. It still has the footer, as you can see, but there's also the stop start button here, which means it actually will do it automatically for me. The reverse button's here. When I turn it on, this panel lights up and it has all of the settings here, plus and minus for like the stitch number. So number would be like the actual types of stitches that I do. This little guy here is the width, and I believe this one is the tension. Ooh, it has a nice high foot for all that nice big fabric. That was part of the reason why my other machine kind of failed on me. So this is a sewing slash quilting machine, so it does have a lot of features with it. I do basic sewing, but it does come with, obviously, the case here. It has this is a buttonhole foot. It has a regular foot. It does come with a needle. You take this off and this is a smaller little resting place for like when you do sleeves and things like that. It is a drop down bobbin, so it just goes down in here, and it does come with plastic bobbins, which is fantastic because I was definitely running low on those. Let's see what else is in here. Like I said, the hard case. This is the foot, same as basic sewing machine foot. You just plug it in, but like I said, you could use it either like this or the stop start. Let's see what else is in the box. So this is an extendable table. So what you do, you just open up like this, just put all the feet down, and you take this out. So you would just do that, right? And then move her over. You just slide it in just like that, and then we have this extra nice long table here. It's great if you're doing quilting, also bigger gowns, pants, when you need that little extra space than just right here. But no idea how annoying it is when you're doing like big dresses and stuff like that, and you just want everything to kind of sit flat while you sew, and you don't have like the industrial machines that has like the set table for you. Ugh, so annoying. Like that. Oh, so this is plug. Oh, and these are all the quilting attachments. So it has different feet for it and different things like that. I don't know how much I'll really be using this because, like I said, I don't do quilting. I'll probably just keep it in this little box here so it's always together and I don't lose it. We got, ooh, they're blue. So we got some more bobbins, all of them plastic, but these ones are blue. Most of my bobbins that I have are either metal, so they're stainless steel, or they are clear plastic, like the one that was in here. This one, clear plastic. This is perfect. And it has a little, ooh. Oh my gosh. I'm such a sewing nerd. That is amazing. Okay, I love that so much. Okay, perfect. And then here are all my other little attachments that come with this machine. With some needles, perfect. This one here. Thread spool. This is a closing cover so that you'll do it on either side like that, so that it doesn't move around too much. This is a little duster. Some more clear bobbins. You can never have too many of those. These are probably for maintenance. So they're little keys. I'm not sure what this is. Not sure what that is. Feet. The zipper foot. This is an extra foot, extra regular foot. Another bobbin. And more little attachments. Oh, you know what this probably is? This is the seam ripper. Yep. I didn't have to buy one. Wow, I bought a seam ripper today too. Well, you know what? These things break on me so easily, so it's fine. Okay, perfect. Now, let's see if these would all fit in here like my last one did. Beautiful. Then I have an extra spool here. That's it. That's all that's in the packaging. So we're probably going to test this out. I want to do a couple of some test stitches and see how it works. I'll show you guys what that looks like, and I guess I'll just start sewing and I'll let you guys know what I think, probably in a voiceover or something. So my thoughts so far, the machine is pretty good. I do like the fact that it has a stop and start feature without me actually having to use the foot. However, I do find that it's better to use the foot for thicker material. So far I've used it on jeans and I've also used it on satin. Satin, I've used the stop and start button, as where jeans, it's better for me to use the foot because I have more control over basically everything. There is a dial that I can use to increase the speed when I am using it automatically. I don't know what the word for it is. Digitally. There we go. That's better. But yeah, for the satin, when I used it, you would still have to obviously control the fabric as it goes through and just let the machine do what it needs to do. Pretty much the same when you use the foot. You just basically guide the fabric. Oh, this has to be out. Okay. However, the foot is better when it comes to thicker material, I find personally. My gosh, I'm about to have so much fun. I've had some goof ups when it comes to the actual stitching with the needle not properly catching the bobbin thread, but I feel like that's just beginner's mess up with the material because I'm not used to the machine, but as I get used to it, it should relatively not happen anymore. Oh, I forgot to mention, they do have its own little cutter for the thread in the back, which is perfect, so you don't have to use scissors.
And there's 2 extra buttons on the sides. I haven't really figured out what they're used for as yet, but I feel like they're used for quilting. Yeah. If you guys have used this machine before, please let me know your thoughts on it. These are all my first impressions. Like I mentioned before, you will be seeing the machine more in action, as this will become my regular machine for most of my projects. For those of you still wondering, I am planning on still getting my older machine serviced, just because it is better for me to have 2 machines anyways. So I have one and then a backup in case there's anything goes wrong. I would have one that I already know works and that I know how to use pretty much.
Yeah, this is my new baby. Oh, cost. She wasn't cheap. She definitely was not cheap, but like I said, it is an investment piece for me since I do a lot of sewing. I don't remember how much my other machine was, but it was probably around the $200 to $300 range, if I'm not mistaken. I'm pretty sure that's how much that sewing machine should have cost. But my dear here, she's in the $500 to $600 range. So on sale was $5.99 with taxes. That is Canadian taxes, which is 13%. She came to $676. My bank account is crying. It is definitely crying, but I'm so excited to do some new sewing projects with this machine. Hopefully I'll be able to actually, like, I want to sew out my collection with this machine. Like, she looks so pretty and I haven't even used her yet. I am so excited too. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. Like, hello, I make so much content on an irregular basis, but you know, we're getting there. But so make sure those post notifications are on so you know the next time that I upload. Like, hello, it could be tomorrow, it could be next week, it could be in 2 months from now, but you'll always know with those notifications on now, wouldn't you? So yeah, I'm gonna do some projects on this. You guys will definitely see her in action. If you guys want to name her, give your suggestions down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. She cost me so damn much money. You cost me a lot of money. A lot. Now where am I gonna put all this stuff?